It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you are very new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, or you find it difficult to place your first order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to simply place your first order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay wallet, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you any of e-commerce platform for shipping from China without any stress, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. If this is the first time of you using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, or you have been using it for a very long time, here is a simple step on how to place your first order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. First of all, make sure you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, it's secure right there. Next thing you need to do is to search for products from different manufacturer on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So here, there are so many ways to search for products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first ways to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload the product with just sample, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can begin to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app across China, just like what you see right here. However, you can come to the top right here, click by category right here. Each time you are clicking on any of this category right here, you see product in this category section, like so. So the more you click, the more you see different products right here, and you can get any type of products right here at a very cheap price from China, direct from manufacturer and wholesaler stores in China. Once you are able to search for the right product you are interested to make a purchase from, next thing you need to do is to head over to your app, is to make sure you have the product to cart and contact the supplier. So I have a product that I want to use as an example in this tutorial to make this tutorial very short and straightforward. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. Then I'm going to simply click on here. I've already had a product to cart right here. So here's the product. So here's the product I'm going to use as an example. But first of all, before we can place order from any supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, we need to contact the supplier to know that the product is available in store before we go ahead and make payment with either our Alipay or WeChat Pay or any Master or Visa card as the case may be. Now, for us to do that, what we want to do, I'm going to simply click on here to open the product link. Now, having opened the product link, just like what you see right there, this is the product picture, and here is the product video. If you will need to check on more product detail, simply scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see the product details right here. Everything is always be putting in place by different supplier. However, this depends on the number of the product picture the supplier we are able to put in place, just like what you see right here. Now, once you are satisfied with the product detail and the global graphics, next thing you need to do is to simply contact the supplier to be sure that the product is available in store. Then how do you contact the supplier? Simply click on here now and to open a chat box. Having opened up the chat box, click on here to send the product link. Now you have auto response by different supplier. This is how it looks like. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you start chatting with the supplier. Then how do we do that? We have to make sure we chat with the supplier in Chinese character, because most of the supplier here, they do not understand English language. So how do we do that? I'm going to exit from here now. Then you have to make sure to go to Play Store. If you are using Android phone, make sure you go to Play Store and look for Google Translate. Make sure you download and install Google Translate on your phone, and this is the icon right here. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store, make sure you search for Google Translate, download and install it on your iPhone. So after you have successfully download and install it, click on the icon to run the setup. So it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you set your language. Set your language here to be the language you can speak, and why it translates into Chinese, just like what you see right here. Now here I will simply type in hello, my friend, do you have this item in store? I want to order it now. Thank you. Okay, now here you just wait and let's see the translation right here. Simply click on here to copy the only translation in Chinese. Go back to your Pinduoduo right here, click and hold down, paste the text and send it to the supplier. So if they are available online, as at the time you reach them, they will give you instant response. So if they are not available, you can simply come back and get on their response in the later date. So once they assure you that the product is available in store, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order. So let me quickly show you on how you place your first order with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app from any store. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to go back to our cart. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on go back. Then right here from the cart, what we want to do here is to simply click on here to select. Then having selected the product, next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, we check on everything. So right here, they are about, so you can see their response right here. Okay, so let's quickly check on their response before we place the order. So we'll be sure that the product is available in store. I'm going to click on here and go back to the response from the supplier right here. So this is their response right here. As you can see, this is the supplier response and this is my message right here. So what we want to do now is to translate their response right here. I'm going to simply make a screenshot here. It's that simple. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to exit from here now. Now I have to make sure I look for my Chrome browser. I normally use Chrome browser for easy translation of any screenshot. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Having opened up your Chrome browser, click on this camera icon. It's one of the easiest way to translate any screenshot from one language to another. Select translate, choose the screenshot, select the screenshot right here. Now we have everything translated. So right here, you can take a look there. So what they are trying to say here is that the product is very much available in store and I can go ahead and make a purchase. Okay, next thing we want to do is to exit from here now. Then I have to make sure I go back right here. Then I have to make sure I go back again and go back. Here we go again in my cart right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to check out again. Then right here from the checkout, there are so many means of payment right here. I'm going to use my Alipay as a means of payment, which is already been checked as my default payment. I will click on here to proceed to payment. Then I will enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful, as you can see right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on done right here. And we have to click on here to close this pump up. I have to go back, and then by the time I refresh my app right here, my profile, I'm going to have the product we just purchased right here. So let's check it out from here. So here we go. Here we go. This is the store right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, 1688 Chinese shopping app, or Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.